let's talk about the best essential oils for first aid. Hi, I'm Terri, and why they're quick, simple, and effective. Lavender is your go-to for soothing and calming your skin, as well as calming yourself. Peppermint, it's great for soothing head and neck discomfort, and also relaxing and supporting tight muscles. Ginger essential oil supports stomach wellness and aids digestion. Cardamom helps support respiration and relieve discomfort after eating. Chamomile is perfect for supporting healthy skin care and promoting rejuvenation. It's gentle, safe, and even great for kids. Got sore muscles? Relief Blend soothes your muscles and supports joint function. Head Soothing Blend is great for soothing head and neck discomfort. I've been using this for years. Ladies' Choice Blend helps support common traits associated with female cycles. Bumps and Boo-Boos Blend helps soothe skin and minimize the appearance of redness. Veins Blend supports healthy circulation. Farewell Scars Blend helps promote skin rejuvenation. Make first aid simple, safe, and effective with Simply Earth's essential oils. Visit simplyearth.com for recipes so you can feel confident making natural choices for your family.